I think there should be a law to mandate Nigerian politicians to use Nigerian hospitals so that they can pay attention to Nigerian hospitals, because if not, what is happening now will continue. To prove my point, you need to watch this video. Let's watch it together, or let's say, let me explain.
You don't understand what? I have already bring the patient here. Do you want me to do your work? What are you saying? Oh, it's not your work. You are on camera that you are saying it's not your work. You are on camera. You are on camera. You are saying that I'm recording you. What nonsense? I just assist some people. People are nearly dying. I just assist them. He said, can't you call them? See how this guy see his situation. See his situation. It's something that you are on record, so you are on record. I just see some people on the road. I just assist them. You are saying that.
So this good Samaritan, good Nigerian, saw an accident victims on the road and he rushed them to hospital, FMC Abuja, Federal Medical Center Abuja, along Jabi Road. He rushed them to that hospital and the nurses said they will not attend to the accident victim because they don't have gloves. They kept bringing different excuses and all that. Guess what? I've had similar experience in Abuja. I was driving and a bike man ran into me, and the bike man fell and had a lot of injury and all that. I rushed the bike man to that same hospital, FMC Abuja, on 23rd August 2023. And guess what? And when I got to that hospital emergency unit, they told me that there's no space. In fact, I could not even bring out my phone to record because I was practically shaking. I was scared so that bike man, that Aboki guy, will not die in my car. I was practically begging them, please attend to this guy. At least give him first aid, save his life first. They said there's no space. In fact, they cannot do anything. And guess what? They did not even stand up. They did not do anything. They were just sitting, nonchalant, doing nothing. Until my friend now said, let's go to National Hospital. That is when I drove immediately with somebody that is bleeding inside my car to National Hospital, where National Hospital now attended to the guy. In fact, the only evidence I have is my car that was badly damaged. Now, that experience left me traumatized that day. That what if there was traffic? What if there was no way to get to National Hospital at that point? What would I have done? What if this guy died in my car? But guess what? I got to FMC Abuja, Federal Medical Center. I got there right in time. They could not do anything. They said there was no space. Oh, they said there's not this. They were giving unnecessary excuses. And this is why I'm saying that I wish that it will be made mandatory. It will be one of the requirements that if you want to be a politician in Nigeria, if you want to lead in Nigeria, you must use Nigerian hospital. All your medical trip, all your medical expense, everything about your medical must be in Nigeria. Your children must school in Nigeria, because all our politicians, their children do not school in Nigeria. You all heard Amechi when he said he went to Germany for medical attention and all that, and he was delayed for 30 minutes. Your president go almost every 6 months to France and all that. That is why they don't pay attention to Nigerian hospitals. And that is why even our Nigerian hospital, the nurses are so nonchalant. Life doesn't mean anything to them. In fact, I don't even want to go deeper. How I almost lost my life in same hospital when they took my blood without waiting for results to come out. In fact, that will be a talk for another day. But this is to remind you that if you are in Nigeria, please, I beg in the name of God, don't fall sick. If you must fall sick, please have money. Take care of your health, because if you don't have money and you fall sick in Nigeria, it's like signing your own death sentence. Please stay healthy, avoid fake drinks and avoid fake drugs and anything that can make you depend on Nigerian hospital, because those people are not professional. The professionals are living. They are living. And guess what? These same nurses that are nonchalant in Nigerian hospital, if they travel abroad, they will be so professional. Now, are you going to blame them? Sometimes you blame the system that put them there. The system in fact, let me not tell you, our Minister of Health do not use Nigerian hospital. The Minister of Health of Nigeria do not use Nigerian hospital. So how do you expect the nurses, the health practitioners in Nigeria, health sector, how do you expect them to behave well? How do you expect them to be professional? They will not be, because even the organo, they come hospital. Do you understand? I just say, let me point this out because it is getting out of hand and we need to do something about it. If you see something, please say something so that we can join hands together and hold them accountable. At least let the ones who they give the money to do the job, let them do it. Anyway, tell me what you think about this, or if you have experience about Nigerian hospital, tell me in the comment section. But before you do, please do not forget to
enjoy your weekend.
Take it easy.